सवाल ये है, आपका सरमाया कहाँ ज्यादा फायदा दे सकता है, बैंक में जमा करके या म्यूचुअल फंड्स में लगाकर? Let's explore how mutual funds can be a smarter choice. Banks typically deduct a 20% withholding tax on your profit, leaving you with a net return of around 8% only. With low-risk mutual funds, like cash funds, your gross return is similar, around 10% to 11%. The key difference is the tax treatment. For these mutual funds, the tax rate is only 15% final tax. This translates to an instant 5% tax saving compared to bank deposits, a benefit that compounds annually. अब आइए देखते हैं वो अहम फायदा जो ज्यादा इनकम वाले अफराद को हासिल होता है। अगर आपकी ट्रेडिशनल सोर्सेज से हासिल होने वाली इंटरेस्ट इनकम सालाना 50 लाख रुपए से तजावुज कर जाए तो उस पर टैक्स के कवानीन में नुमायां तब्दीली आ जाती है। This substantial interest income is no longer treated as a final tax. Instead, it's added to your total income, pushing you into a higher tax bracket. इस सूरत में आपकी इनकम पर आपके इनकम स्लैब के मुताबिक टैक्स आयद होता है और ज्यादा इनकम वाले अफराद के लिए ये शरह 35% तक बढ़ सकती है। ये आपकी नीट इनकम को नुमायां तौर पर कम कर देता है। Consider this example. With bank or interest income, if you have 6 million in interest income and 6 million in other income, your total taxable income becomes 12 million. This could lead to a tax liability of approximately 3.6 million, equating to about 30% of your income, depending on your specific tax slab. Now observe the difference with mutual funds. If you earn 6 million from mutual funds, your tax is a final 0.9 million, calculated at just 15%. Your other income of 6 million is taxed separately as per the regular slab, resulting in approximately 1.8 million in tax. This separation is crucial. मजमूई तौर पर म्यूचुअल फंड्स में सरमायाकारी करने पर आपकी टैक्स लेबिलिटी तकरीबन 27 लाख रुपए बनती है, यानी आप म्यूचुअल फंड्स का इंतखाब करके तकरीबन 9 लाख रुपए का टैक्स बचा सकते हैं। So the question is, why continue to pay more in taxes when you can grow your wealth tax efficiently through mutual funds? It's a clear choice for financial optimization. Let your money grow smarter and work harder for you. Explore the benefits of mutual funds today. If you want to check your own tax liability and how much tax can be saved, talk to your financial advisor today or write to me at investingwithadeal@gmail.com to explore mutual funds and make informed investment decisions. If you have found this content helpful, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe button so you could stay updated on more meaningful information. Thank you.